conditional formatting in Google Sheets highlights important data, so you don't have to scan through every row. It just jumps out. I'll show you. All right, so we're looking at a list of IT service tickets, and I'm going to first highlight the ones that are critical, that got to be completed immediately. So I'm going to select the entire priority column, go to Format and Conditional Formatting, and I'm going to say Format cells if the text contains the word critical. But I'll change the fill. Light green doesn't really make sense. I'm going to make it light red. And maybe next I'll format the category column to highlight the tickets that are related to an outage, because maybe those are completed by a separate team. We want them to see those tasks clearly. So I'll select the field, add another rule, and it's still going to be text contains, but I'm now looking for outage, and maybe I want this to be a light blue. Now, another field where formatting might be helpful is days open. We want to minimize that. If it gets too long, people get upset. And so I'll select this field, add another rule, but I'm going to go with a color scale. Instead of it being green, though, I want the scale to be yellow, so the higher values are a darker yellow. Now, as you go through this, just remember to use conditional formatting carefully. You don't want so much that it confuses people. It's really for exceptions, not for decoration. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more of them. And if you want to go even deeper, I have a full course on Google Sheets in the links below.